Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Invest Today. Today we're talking about passive income because in these times we need a second income. I feel like everyone's going this direction, times are getting hard, people need money. What is a better idea than investing in a nice dividend portfolio? And I'm gonna start building out my dividend portfolio. That's what I'm gonna do because I want passive income on the side. So this is the easy $407 of passive income by investing in these companies. So we're going to get into these two companies. If you're from Canada and you have a tax-free savings account, or if you're American, you can still own these stocks. You still get this dividend income. We want high yields giving us good returns. Let's get into these two stocks that the Motley Fool actually recommended to invest in right now. Andrew Walker provided this article for us called TFSA Passive Income Earned $407 per month for life. So here is the first company. The first company is Enbridge. Enbridge Gas is Canada's largest natural gas storage, transmission, distribution company based in Ontario with more than 170-year history of providing safe and reliable service to customers. We provide affordable energy for approximately 3.8 million residents and businesses. We're leading in the transition towards lower carbon future. So Enbridge Gas is a pivotal part of the economy when it comes to Canada and providing power for residents. And that's what I really love about this company right now, is that its moat is so big and huge. Enbridge has the continent's largest, most diversified, widest moat midstream network when it comes to gas transmission, gas distributions, liquids, and power. So you look at the 5-year history of the stock price, you can see it's very volatile. Like it's went from $37 all the way up to $51. The past year has only been 5%. So you have to really understand that this is just for the dividend yield of 6.6%, which is crazy good because the 10-year right now is giving us like 4%. So it's giving you better than the 10-year. And the company is set to invest a lot into the future with renewable gas and renewable energy. So that's going to have a huge benefit on the stock price if they can continue doing what they've been doing. When you think about their dividend yield, they can pay this all with cash flow. So with a wide moat company like this, plus it's paying it out with cash flow, it's a solid company for your dividend portfolio, in my opinion. So in 2022, it paid around 79% of its cash flow in dividends, $5 billion out of the $6.3 billion it generated. So that's a pretty good ratio. And they have been growing their dividend yield 3 to 5% yearly. So they have a history of 27 years of dividend growth. So that just says it all. And it's a reliable company with a strong moat, as I said before. So hopefully they continue this path. If you want this company, you can get a good yield on your money. But on top of that, you have to be worried about maybe the debt levels right now. If you think about Enbridge, it has what? $67 billion in debt. So kind of be weird on that side, but when you think about the company overall, Enbridge is so necessary to power a lot of Ontario, a lot of Canada, because it's located in Calgary, Alberta. So you have to kind of be like, okay, this is pretty much a utility-like company, so we understand the debt levels. The next stock Andrew recommends is Bank of Nova Scotia, and this is one of Canada's largest bank. It's the 4th largest bank according to market cap. At an $80 billion market cap, we can kind of see this bank and what the stock price has been doing over the past 5 years. It's down 21%, but we can kind of understand that because the market has been very volatile, especially with higher interest rates. So with a 6.3% yield, 6% yield in a bank is really good, man. And remember, I said it compared to a 4% yield. And if the bank is growing, then you can kind of see why, okay, this can kind of make sense. When we go to the financials of Bank of Nova Scotia, we can kind of see it's been kind of here or there. You can kind of see that revenue has been kind of up and down throughout 2019, 2022, 2021. But we understand why, because the whole pandemic scenario. The Bank of Nova Scotia is not known for like crazy amount of growth. So if you just want a solid dividend yield with a good dividend payout, with not crazy debt levels, this is a good stock for you to generate good yield. But if you want more of the growth story when it comes to banks, I think Equitable Bank is growing way faster. We have like even TD is growing way faster, but their yields are not as high. So pick your poison. The payout ratio has been pretty steady. It's at 52%, the 5-year average. So it's able to pay the dividend with not all of its free cash flow or all of its income it's generating. So that's a good sign. and dividend per share is usually going up, or it's usually pretty steady. So when it comes to Bank of Nova Scotia, people are going to see this as a more of a risky, because they're investing in a lot of more international places like Mexico, like Peru, like Colombia, and it's not growing as fast as like Equitable Bank or TD. So you have to see kind of both sides of it. Do you rather the yield, or do you rather growth when it comes to like TD or Equitable Bank? Those are the two stocks that Andrew recommends from the Motley Fool. If you want to get that $407, you have to have around $81,000 in your TFSA to generate that $407 of monthly income, which is actually amazing. Around $4,500, that's very sustainable with a 6% yield. And if you have more money, you can increase that. Imagine getting up to $12,000, 14, 15. That's a nice set of passive income on the side that you can help to whatever, pay bills, pay down your car note, your credit card, whatever you have. These are good ways to diversify your income, because you just don't want to rely on your job for income. That's not the good way to go. You want multiple income streams. This is one alternate stream you could use to get more money, guys. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.